Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite coding channel, Coding Stunts. In today's video of Python programming, I am going to start with the installation. Although it's written introduction to Python, yes, definitely when we are on the introduction part, we are having the installation, we are having the concepts, there are so many things. So let's start today with the introduction to Python in which we are going to deal with the installation of Python. So here we go. You can see we are here on the python.org. That is the official website of Python. You just have to search Python download and you will be reaching here. Although don't worry, I will be sharing this link in the description. So you won't be facing any issue to download it. As I told you that we will be dealing with multiple IDEs in this duration of this particular series. And there will be so many projects and you can say assignments included. I will be also giving you some assignments, so that will be best for you to practice the things apart from the videos or the codes which we will be discussing here. As I told you that there will be multiple IDEs. So today we will be starting with the first one of it, that will be IDLE. Okay, so after the installation of the Python into the system, I will help you out with the IDLE today. You can see python.org/downloads is this, like the link here, and I will share this in the description. Here you can see download section is there. This button is given to download the Python 3.12.0. That means simply 3.12 version. And here you can see for Windows, Mac, all like versions are present here. If you want to see the full list of downloads, you can just go to this one also to check at what are the different previous versions available. So in the Python, there is very frequent, you can say, updates. You can see the releases 3.12, like October 2nd, October 23, recent version it is. Then 3.11. So here you can see in 22, it was like simply came into the picture in 2022. This was in 2021. This was in 2020. So there are so many, and even there are so many things inside it which are updated regularly. Okay, so here PEP 693 is the release schedule. Simply PEP is Python enhancement proposal. So Python enhancement proposal are having so many versions. In the upcoming videos, I will be also discussing about these Python enhancement proposals, like simply PEP, PEP it is known as. So I will be talking about that. Actually, I wanted to start with the practical soon because already 4 videos I have uploaded with the concepts, but there are so many concepts which should be discussed. So you tell me in the comment below that you like to understand the concepts in the series, or you just want to skip all of them. Although I am not going to skip it, it is really very necessary. So I will be keeping those concepts also alternatively in the series. Someday I will be updating some conceptual videos, someday I will be updating some practical videos. But yes, 95% of things are going to be practical. Now I am just going to download this Python in front of you. You can see it is getting downloaded here. I was having one version installed into my system. I have removed it to show you that how to install it. For the beginners, it's a best practice to keep only one version in the system. Don't keep multiple Python versions. Okay. So here Python 3.12.0 you can see is here. You can just go to the folder also, showing folder, or you can directly click here. So this way it will be coming in front of you. You can see this is the wizard of the Python latest version, which is already released in like October 2023. Very recent version it is. On 2nd October it has came into the picture. Now you have to just check these two and then go to the install. Add python.exe to path is very necessary. Just do these two, check them, and then install. That's a very, very simple thing. And then it will be simply getting installed into your system. You can see it's a really very simple process when you are installing the Python into your system. And as I said that I will be telling different IDEs, so I will be telling those online IDEs also actually, because many people have demanded that what are the different online IDEs, those should be told. Even mobile-based softwares, mobile-based applications also I will be telling. I will be demonstrating the code on the mobile, that how you can do that when you are not having laptop, so how you will be doing it. So this series is going to be really very interesting and helpful to you. Stay tuned, it is for everybody. If you are a Python lover, you can just go anywhere, you are anywhere, any place. You can just code in different mobile or web IDEs. And it's not necessary that you are having your laptop at that time. So here you can see setup was successfully installed. I'm just closing this. Now, as I promised that I will be firstly talking about the ideally. So here I will be talking about ideally. I will be giving you a brief introduction from the web only. That is the best resource here to discuss that what is ideally actually. So ideally is the default IDE of Python. Ideally is the default IDE of Python. It is an integrated development environment, that is IDE for Python, which has been bundled with the default implementations of the language since 1.5.2b1. That means from the very initial versions, this ideally is coming here. It is packaged as an optional part of the Python packaging with many Linux distributions. So in Linux, it is optional, but in the Windows, it is compulsory. It is automatically getting downloaded and installed into your system when you are installing the Python. It is completely written in the Python and the Kinter GUI. Okay, so I will discuss the Kinter also here. So stay tuned. It's going to be really very interesting for you all. Now, this downloading part has been done, and this ideally also I have discussed. So I'm just coming towards the ideally right away. You just have to do what? You have to search this here. Come to the search bar and search ideally. You can see ideally Python 3.12, that is 64-bit operating system, according to the operating system it is, and ideally Python 3.12 app is showing. Either you search ideally or you just search here Python. Both will be giving us this here. Okay, you can see ideally is here. Either you search Python or you search ideally. So simply, you know that once you have installed the Python into your system, this ideally will be automatically coming. Just click on it and it will be opening the shell. So in this video, although it was for the installation purposes, first of all, the major thing was in like installation for this video. So that I have covered. Now here you can see this is the show this in a better way. Just a second, I can just show it to you right away. And here you can see it says that ideally shell 3.12. So as I told you that Python is a multi-paradigm programming language, and not only the procedural approach, not only the structural approach, you can actually work on different approaches using the Python. So shell means that you are going to write the scripts here. It will be giving you the benefits of working with the scripting. So this is the interactive interpreter of Python, as I discussed in the previous video, that it is having an interactive interpreter. So we have reached there. Now in the next video, I will be directly talking about the like this ideally we will be doing some code here, we will be doing some scripts here, and some operators and all I will cover in the next video. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And there is so much available for you on this channel, Coding Stunts. So don't miss the benefits which are here. There is a lot of things for you to learn through this channel, Coding Stunts. You can see like the cyber security software engineering series are also there. So just give some time to the playlist section. That will be quite helpful to you. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe for more such informative videos. See you in the next video of the series. Till then, take care.